Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. Well, we made it to day 4 in our 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and we've got a great prize for you today as well. But before I get to that, what do you call a snowman with a six-pack? An abdominal snowman. I'm laughing because I tried to tell that joke about 6 times and I messed it up every time. Anyway. On the 4th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new smart speaker. That's right, you're getting an Echo Show 5. Now, if you don't know what this is, it's a smart speaker. It's also a display. So unlike a standard Echo, which is just a ball that sits on your desktop, and you can ask it questions and it'll answer those questions, this one's got a display in the front. So it's a beautiful digital clock. It'll show pictures of your family if you want to do that. It'll tell you the time. It'll tell you your fortune. You can ask it really complex questions, and most of the time it's going to get the right answer. Every now and then it's way off, but you know, it's a lot of fun to play with. I like to play music through it because it's got a pretty decent speaker built into it. One of my favorite things to do is traffic. So if I'm traveling somewhere, it knows my home address. It's pretty smart. And when I say, how long is it going to take me to get to point X? And I'll name a place. It'll tell me 45 minutes. Now, it's interesting because in New Jersey, everything takes 45 minutes, but wherever you live, it might be a shorter time, but I love this thing. You can also display your security cameras. So if you've got security cameras around the house, you can say, show me the front porch, and boom, a picture will come up of that. So it's a wonderful device. It's an incredibly smart device, and you're going to love it. So the contest could not be easier to enter. It's just like all the other days we've had the contest for. Down below, you'll find a link. If you click that link, it'll come up with a form, and the form only asks you for your email and your YouTube username, and the only reason they need to know that is because I have to get a hold of you if you win the contest. So enter those 2 things, and after 7 days, we're going to look, and we're not going to look, we're going to turn our heads and we're going to pull out a random winner from those lists of people that entered it, and we're going to send you an email and say, hey, good news, you won the smart speaker, send us your address, and we'll ship it right out to you. And again, no strings attached, no shipping charges, no shenanigans. I don't care where in the world you live. You could live in a place called Boring, Oregon. That's right. It's a town in Oregon called Boring. Now, I don't know whether the town council just took the week off or what happened there. I'm sure it's an exciting place. I'm sure if you live there, everybody bust your chops about the fact that you live in Boring, Oregon. But I'll be honest with you, it doesn't sound that bad to me. I like to be bored sometimes. So anyway, you could live in Boring, Oregon, or you could live anywhere on the planet. We'll put it in a box and ship it to you. I just want you to be happy. Use a smart speaker. You can even watch Drone Valley videos on there if you believe that or not. But anyway, it's a cool product, and it's completely free. We just love giving these prizes away. It's kind of a wacky week here at Drone Valley where I get a chance to go down to the studio, lock the door, and have a lot of fun putting these 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas clips together. So that's pretty much all I had for today. I have a lot of these around the house, and we use them all the time. The one thing I will say before we leave today is that it takes the dad factor away, because when I was younger and the kids were younger, they could ask me a question and I could make stuff up out of whole cloth and they would believe me as a dad. So I could fake a lot of stuff. You can't fake it with this, because when I answer a question, the kids immediately go, hey, Echo, is that true? Or how about that? And they call me out on it. So just be aware of that before you plug it in. Anyway, it's a cool product. We're happy to give it away. And I sure hope you're enjoying these days of Christmas, because I guess we're at day 4. We've got 8 more to go. I got plenty of sleep last night, so you're going to get some really interesting stuff coming up. But 8 more to go. If you've missed the contest that we've run already, just go back and enter day 1, day 2, day 3, and enter today for day 4. And then there's 8 more coming. So there's a lot of chances to win prizes, and we love giving stuff back. So anyway, that's it for today. Thanks an awful lot for watching, and until tomorrow, happy flying.